Hello everyone. Now today this is the fourth lecture of set theory. In the last three lectures in lecture 1 we did set theory and its set and its representation. In the second lecture we did the types of the set. In the third lecture we did subset of a set, proper set, power set. Now we are continuing the set theory. Today is lecture 4. So first of all, we are discussing about the intervals as the subsets of R. In the last class we did subsets. So now we are doing intervals as the subsets of R. So let A and B are two real numbers. Let A and B are two real numbers and this number A is less than B. Let A and B are two real numbers in which A is less than B. Then we have the following intervals. One by one we will discuss all the intervals. The first interval is open interval. Open interval A to B. What does this mean? This means that this is the set of those points which are lying between A and B. Set of those points which are lying between A and B, and that set of points are real numbers. Set of the points X such that X is lying between A and B and X is a real number. This is the open interval. The corner points will not be included. The corner points A and B will not be included in the open interval. X is a real number. Now this is the real number line representation of this interval. Whenever corner points are not included, then it will make a छोटा सा सर्कल बनाएंगे, उसको fill नहीं करेंगे. Unfilled circle shows that the corner point is not included. This is the number line representation of an open interval A, B. All the numbers between A and B are darkened, but the circles are not darkened. Now, I am coming to second, that is closed interval. Closed interval are the points which are lying between A and B, as well as the corner points are also included. And the X is a real number. This is a number line. This is the point A, this is the point B. Both are darkened because the interval is closed. Corner points are included in closed interval. And the points between A and B, all the numbers between A and B are also darkened. So this is the representation of the closed interval. The points between A and B are included, and the corner points are also included. Now the third, that is closed at A but open at B. The interval closed at A and open at B. This is the set of points in which all the numbers are there between A and B. B is not included but A is included because we are having closed interval at A and open at B. X is a real number. This is the number line representation. Close at A, open at B. This is darkened, this is not darkened, and the number line. All the points between A and B are darkened. Now, part number 4 is open at A, close at B. Open at A and close at B, set of point X such that X is in between A and B. Open at A, close at B. B will be included, but A will not be included in this interval. X is coming for real. In all these sets, what are these? These are the intervals as the subsets of real number. ये real number line है, ये इसका part है. This is the part of real number. Part means subset. So we are having intervals of 4 types: A, B. We are having intervals of 4 types, that is A, B. Then this type of A, B. Then close at A, open at B. Then open at A and close at B. All these means this. All these are infinite sets. This is the main thing. All these are infinite sets because if I am taking the interval 1, 2, whether it is closed, whether it is open, so I don't know how many elements are there between 1 and 2. 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.11, 1.147, 1.479334. That means I don't know how many elements are there between 1 and 2. So the set is infinite in all these 4 cases, whether it is open, close, open at first point, close at last point, corner points are included or not, all these will be infinite sets. Now we are moving forward. The operations on set. The operations. One by one we will discuss the operations on sets. Number one is union. Union of two sets. Union of two sets. Let A and B are two sets. A and B are two sets. Then their union is given by, representation is A union B. This is the representation. A union B is defined as, let A and B are two sets. A and B are two sets. Then A union B is defined as the set of points. The set of points X such that X belongs to A or X belongs to B. वो पॉइंट आएंगे जो A के अंदर भी है और B के अंदर भी है. Set of point X such that X belongs to A or X belongs to B. Suppose what I'm saying that we are having a set A 1, 2, 3. We are having a set B 2, 3, 4, 5. Then A union B is given by all the elements will be written in the union, whether it is from A or from B, and the point which are common, that will be written once only, not twice. So here I will write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is A union B. A union B को I also name as A or B. Union means or. Union means or. Either A or B or in both. This is A union B. The elements of A union B will be in either A or in B or in both. This is the union of two sets. Now the new term, that is Venn diagram. Venn diagram of all the operation I will draw. So here Venn diagram मैंने आपको कल भी बताया था थोड़ा सा, that we will draw a rectangle to show a universal set. To show a universal set. We will draw a rectangle to show a universal set. Then I am drawing two sets inside universal set because all the sets will be smaller than universal set. So this is the set A, this is the set B. I am assuming that some points are common between A and B like this. Then in general, I am not doing through this example. I am doing in general. So in general, A union B is this. This is A. This is B. A is included, B is included, common point is also included. This is the Venn diagram for A union B. This is the Venn diagram for A union B. This is the definition, this is the example, and this is the Venn diagram for A union B. Now I am coming at next point, that is the intersection. That is the intersection of two sets. Intersection of two sets. We name this as A and B. In case of union, it was A or B. In case of intersection, this is A and B. This is A and B. And A and B, A intersection B is defined as the common points, common elements of A and B, जो कि A and B दोनों में कॉमन होंगे. पहले वेन डायग्राम कर लेते हैं. सपोज दिस इज द यूनिवर्सल सेट, दिस इज सेट A and this is set B. Then A intersection B defined as common, that is this only. This is A intersection B. This is the Venn diagram of A intersection B. Now suppose for example I am taking set A is 1, 2, 3, 4, and the set B is given by 1, 4, 9, 7. Then A intersection B will be given by 1, 1 is common and 4 is common, 1, 4. This is A intersection B. Common points of A and B. Common points of A and B is A intersection B. This was about intersection of two sets. Now moving forward, that is, for this From this, I have a definition of a set, that is disjoint sets. Disjoint sets के लिए पहले हमें intersection करना पड़ा. Disjoints क्या होते हैं? A and B are disjoint sets. A and B are disjoint sets if A intersection B is equal to phi. For example, मैंने example लिया, मान लो suppose करो एक set A है 1,2 और एक set B है 6,7. Then in this case, A intersection B will be equal to phi. So we can say that this is the example of disjoint sets. This is the example of, this pair of example is the example of disjoint sets. Venn diagram. So its Venn diagram will be, suppose we are having a rectangle U, then this is the set A and this is the set B. No point common. No point common. This is the set A and this is the set B. A intersection B equal to phi. But both of the sets will be inside the universal set. So this is the Venn diagram of the set A and B when the set A and B are disjoint sets. Now next is complement of a set. Complement of a set. Complement of a set. तो what is complement of a set? Complement सिर्फ एक सेट का होगा. Complement of a set. Complement of a set क्या होता है? अच्छा, for that, before understanding the concept of complement of a set, we need to do the difference of two sets. I am writing here the difference of two sets. Difference of two sets. Before doing the concept of complement of a set, we need to do the difference of two sets, that is A minus B. Notation is A minus B. A minus B is defined as the set A but not B. This is the main thing. A minus B is defined as the set A but not B. I will show by Venn diagram, then through example. This is the universal set. This is the set A. This is the set B. A but not B. That means only A. B के वो एलिमेंट जो A में है वो भी नहीं आएंगे. That means B आएगा ही नहीं. A but not B. A है लेकिन B बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. That means सिर्फ और सिर्फ A. B का एलिमेंट उसके अंदर आएगा ही नहीं. A but not B. So what we can say? We can say that this thing, by example, suppose set A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the set B is 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. Then A minus B is what? A but not B. B आएगा ही नहीं. B का एक भी एलिमेंट, not a single element, will come in A minus B. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. Up 4, 5 inside A as well. So we will remove these two elements, only A, that is 1, 2, 3. 4, 5 है वो इसमें भी है. 1, 2, 3 इसमें नहीं है. That means A minus B will be 1, 2, 3. This is A minus B. This is the set A minus B. Now suppose by the same example we need to find B minus A. भाई A minus B होता है, that means A minus B, A but not B. तो B minus A क्या हो जाएगा? B minus A will be B but not A. B but not A. So B minus A will be equal to, by this example, this will be the set B आएगा, A नहीं आएगा. That means 4 and 5 नहीं आएंगे, तो क्या आएगा? 6, 7, 9. 6, 7, 9. This is B minus A. So this is difference of two sets, A minus B, A but not B. This is the represent notation. This is the definition, A but not B. These two are the sets A and B. We have taken an example. This is A minus B, this is B minus A, and this is the Venn diagram of A minus B. Now, complement of a set is defined as, suppose A is a set. A is a set. Then A complement is A के ऊपर C लगा दिया, या फिर we can say A के ऊपर डैश लगा दिया. दोनों चलेंगे. या फिर कई बार A के ऊपर बार भी लगा देते हैं. इस टाइप से ये भी लगा देते हैं. स्टैंडर्ड नोटेशन नहीं है, मतलब डिफरेंट वर्क कर सकता है क्वेश्चन में. A complement A is a set, A complement A is a set, और A bar, that means A complement A is a set. So व्हाट इज ए कॉम्प्लीमेंट? सिंपली दिस इज नॉट ए. नॉट ए का मतलब अगर वेन डायग्राम से समझें तो दिस इज यूनिवर्सल सेट, दिस इज सेट ए, दिस इज सेट ए, देन ए कॉम्प्लीमेंट इज नॉट ए. एक और छोड़कर बाकी सारा मतलब ये सारा. इसका मतलब ए कॉम्प्लीमेंट इज डिफाइंड एज यूनिवर्सल सेट माइनस ए. यूनिवर्सल सेट माइनस ए, इसलिए माइनस, दिस इज रेड एज ए माइनस बी, दिस इज रेड एज ए माइनस बी. तो ए डैश इज यूनिवर्सल सेट माइनस ए. माइनस मीन्स द सेम माइनस, डिफरेंस ऑफ यूनिवर्सल सेट विद ए विल गिव मी द ए डैश. यूनिवर्सल सेट में से ए को हटा दिया, यूनिवर्सल सेट में से वी हैव रिमूव्ड ए. यूनिवर्सल सेट बट नॉट ए इज ए कॉम्प्लीमेंट. दिस इज द कॉम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ अ सेट. अब जब यहां पर ये दोनों बातें लिखी हुई है, देन आई विल राइट वन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रिजल्ट विच वी विल यूज इन द क्वेश्चंस, दैट a माइनस b जो होता है दैट इज इक्वल टू a इंटरसेक्शन b डैश. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रिजल्ट. चेक कर लेते हैं. a माइनस बी ये आपके सामने. सपोज आई एम ड्रॉइंग a इंटरसेक्शन b डैश. दिस इज a, दिस इज b, दिस इज a. तो b डैश विल बी आउटसाइड b. दिस इज a, दिस इज b. तो b डैश विल बी आउटसाइड b. b बिल्कुल नहीं आएगा. दिस इज यूनिवर्सल सेट. दिस इज a. व्हाट इज a? a इज दिस. This is A and B dash is outside B. So this is the only common this. This is the Venn diagram of A minus B dash. This is the Venn diagram of A minus B dash. And this is the Venn diagram of A minus B. So we can see that A minus B is A intersection B dash. When we will do the properties of on operation of set theory, then we can see that this will be the result, very important result, which we will use in some questions also. A minus B is given by A intersection B complement, A intersection B dash, A intersection B bar. Complement of a set, difference of two sets. नाउ एक चीज और है इसमें जो कि एनसीईआरटी में नहीं है, बट एक होता है सिमेट्रिक डिफरेंस ऑफ टू सेट्स. सिमेट्रिक डिफरेंस ऑफ टू सेट्स, सिमेट्रिक डिफरेंस ऑफ टू सेट्स, उसको हम बोलते हैं ए माइनस बी यूनियन बी माइनस ए. ये होता है symmetric difference of two sets, A minus B union B minus A. Suppose I am taking set A equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. I am taking set B equals to 3, 7, 9, 8. Then A minus B will be, इसको वैसे रिप्रेजेंट कर देते हैं A this types, एक ट्राइंगल का साइन या फिर इसको डेल्टा भी कहते हैं, A डेल्टा B ऐसे रिप्रेजेंट कर देते हैं. कुछ बुक में रिप्रेजेंट किया हुआ है ऐसे, कोई स्टैंडर्ड नहीं है बट फिर भी ऐसे रिप्रेजेंट किया हुआ है कुछ बुक्स में. ए डेल्टा बी या फिर ए ट्राइंगल बी, जो भी ट्राइंगल का साइन नहीं बोलते इसको ए डेल्टा बी बोल देते हैं. ए डेल्टा बी इक्वल्स टू ए माइनस बी यूनियन बी माइनस ए. तो ए इक्वल्स टू 1, 2, 3, 4, बी इक्वल्स टू दिस, देन ए माइनस बी विल बी, ए माइनस बी विल बी ए बट नॉट बी. तो 3 and 3 हट गया, ये तो आएगा, दैट मींस 1, 2 and 4. दिस इज ए माइनस बी. देन बी माइनस ए, तो बी माइनस ए इज गिवन बाय बी बट नॉट ए. बी आएगा, बी में से क्या हट जाएगा? 3 हट जाएगा. 7, 9, 8. Now this will be A delta B will be what? A minus B union B minus A. So we can say that A delta B will be equal to set of points जिसमें क्या क्या आ गया? 1 आ गया. अब यूनियन, इन दोनों का यूनियन मतलब और, तो क्या हो जाएगा? 1, 2, 4, 7, 8, 9. वेन डायग्राम जब बनेगा इसका, this is A, this is B, this is A and this is B. Venn diagram of A delta B is given by, this is A minus B, this is A minus, and this is B minus A, and the union of these two. So both the sets will be darkened. A minus B union B minus A. This is the Venn diagram of symmetric difference of two sets. So this was all about the different operations on the sets: union, intersection, difference of two sets, complement of a set, then symmetric difference of two sets. Before that we did the intervals on the subset of R. So now we will finish today. In the next class we will continue the rest of the topics. Okay, thank you.